G'day guys, welcome back. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to replace a chain on a mountain bike. So let's get to it. So the first thing you want to do is shift into your hardest gear. That just creates a lot of slack in the chain.
For this next step, I decided to break the chain with a chain brake just because my quick link was too damaged to undo.
Now we can remove the chain. So a chain brake works by twisting this. That presses up against the pin, which drives out the pin from the chain. So before you go ordering a chain, count how many cogs are on your cassette. So I've got 12. So that means you need to order a 12-speed chain to suit your 12-speed cassette. So now I put the quick link, which is this one here, on the new chain. Now I've laid both the chains out.
The purpose of a quick link, also known as a master link, is to connect both ends of the chain together.
So now we'll be shortening the new chain to the same length as the old chain was. So now we'll just push this pin through. Cool. There we go. Now it's time to reinstall the chain. Now you want to clip the quick link into place.
To do this, you want to move your link to the top side of the chain and then apply pressure to the pedals.
So I've just given the chain a clean off camera just because the factory grease that comes on the chain is very sticky and all the sand gets stuck to it. But I also put some dry lube on it and hopefully that runs nice and smooth. So that's the end of the video. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments below and I'll do my best to try and answer them. Hopefully you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.